Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to increase camera quality in your Android mobile. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So open camera on your Android mobile and select camera mode like AI camera, beauty camera or portrait. And first of all select picture size small, medium or full. I will keep full picture size. Now select the resolution of your Android mobile camera. For example, my Android mobile back camera support 50 megapixel. So I will select 50 megapixel. You can select maximum quality of your Android mobile camera. Then turn on HDR. Now turn on light if necessary. After all these settings, go to settings of your Android mobile camera. First of all, turn on auto arrange modes. Then turn on smile shot. Now turn on touch capture. Touch capture option is very useful. When you turn it on, you can take pictures by touching your finger on any area of the screen in photo. Now go back and take some pictures. After capturing some pictures, tap on captured picture and edit picture for more enhancement. You can improve picture colors, brightness, and you can add filters. Another important setting is to select a camera resolution. You can set it on 1080 or more or 720. I will keep on 1080 to keep best quality pictures. So in this way you can improve the quality of camera on your Android mobile. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing these settings, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.